to the channel. This is gonna be part 2 of me creating this prom dress for the first time. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. We're trying to grow. Make sure you like the video and let's get into it. So today's goal is to finish up this pattern, number 1, and cut it out on muslin finally, so that we can actually get a good look at it. I can practice my that little ruching effect that we have to do on the dress, make sure that looks good before the actual fabric, which did come in. So we have the lining here, and then we also have the beaded lace fabric as well, and I will show y'all that fabric in detail in the next video so you can see exactly what I'm using. But I want to go ahead and get started. There's not too much to do pattern wise actually, so I'm really just finalizing the measurements that I've made so far, and then we're gonna cut them out on muslin. I just want to make sure that I have everything correct per her measurements before moving on, so let me just double check that. Okay, so I think I got everything good with this, so I'm ready to cut it out on muslin so that we can see what that's gonna look like, and you know, just get some practice stitches in with this. This is the muslin fabric that I got. I got this fabric from Michael's, and this is the heavyweight muslin fabric, and it was $6.99 a yard at Michael's. Heavyweight muslin. You don't have to do heavyweight. Me personally, I just rather work with like a thicker fabric. They did have a thinner version of this muslin that was a little bit cheaper. I think it might have been like $5.99, so $1 more for the heavyweight. I just like it. It's just a bit thicker and I like that, so I went with it. So now we're about to cut out some pattern pieces.
Not true. That sounds exactly like how we do things over here. Press total over this. The ladies will
bring her as an ally in a region where we have none. The deal's done. Let's not blow this up.
No one's saying that we blow it up, just that we find out who Naveed is and what he might know.
What the what is? Exactly, so it's crazy.
That's why my people should do it. Check him out, find out if he has any intelligence ties or ulterior motives. We have.
As I wake up in the morning with the sunlight on my face.
Okay, so I got the muslin pieces cut out, and now I'm about to start sewing so that I can actually see what this whole thing is gonna look like. So I'm about to set y'all up in front of the sewing machine. Let's get to it. This is the fun part, right?
See how that works out.
Once I tell him, that's it. He will not forgive this. When I tell him.
On top of the world, I'm walking. I'm giving it all. I'm on my way to you. I promise you a beautiful day regardless. Can't take it away. I'm on my way to you.
Okay, this is good. This is good. So when I saw that picture, that reference picture, I was just like, how are we gonna get that little ruching effect? And I, you know, pleats was in that pattern that I had. I'm like, I don't want no pleats. The pleats just look a little, I don't know, they look a little old school. So I did not want to do pleats. I wanted to get that holding it up effect. And honestly, gathering gave me like the best. This is like the best effect. This is gonna give me the best look. It's gonna give me the look I'm going for. So I'm gonna sew this together with the back just to see what we're looking like. Test the measurements out. Honestly, I'm pretty confident that this is all gonna work out. The only thing is it might be slightly bigger. It might be off like a couple inches, which is okay because that's an easy fix. But I'm gonna go ahead and sew everything together. I think I want to press this down though. I think I want to press these. I've been learning that like pressing just gives you the best look. And right now, I know this isn't the actual fabric, but I want to see, you know, what it's actually gonna look like. So I'm gonna press these down and probably lock in this gather too because I got it. No, I'm not gonna lock the gather just in case I need to change it. I got it at 11 inches, which is pretty good. I think I'm gonna just bring it to like 12 just to make it slightly longer because I don't want it to be too short to where like her butt falling out, you know. You can see everything, all the glory. I don't want it to be that short.
This life is a mist. It flickers and falters. My heart is at rest in the arms of my Father. You fill my life with good things, good things. Yeah, my cup runneth over. Your heart overflows with good things, good things. When I thought it was over, here comes another good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing. When I thought it was over, here comes another. Holy, righteous one, your faithfulness goes on and on. You never fail, you never will. And you're the rock I'm standing on. This life is a mess. It flickers and falters. My heart is at rest.
Okay, so got it laid out as best as I can. So we got the ruching effect that I wanted to make sure I was able to actually accomplish, which is good. We got that effect. We got that split. The only thing I think I'm not really feeling is how wide the split is. So that might be like the only adjustment, just making that split come in like a little bit more, making that split come in. Then I'll have to do like a little bit more gathering, but so far so good. I'm gonna double check the measurements on this muslin cutout, but I really like I think we good. I think we good. It's just little minor tweaks. I'm gonna check the measurements, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video, part 2. Make sure you stay tuned for part 3 coming up next. And in part 3, we're getting to work on the actual fabric. So I'll go into detail about what I'm using for the dress. And that's gonna be a doozy because first of all, I have never sewn with beaded lace. I mean, we shall see. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in the next one.